Mojoflow Bracelet is marketed as a wellness bracelet that claims to improve energy, boost circulation, reduce pain, and promote overall well-being simply by wearing it. The marketing can make it sound like an effortless health solution, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, bracelets can be comfortable accessories and may have personal or symbolic value. However, health claims made about wellness bracelets should be viewed carefully. What it does well: comfortable to wear. The bracelet is designed for everyday use and doesn't require charging or maintenance. Stylish accessory. Many users may simply enjoy the look and design. Where the hype falls apart: there's no strong scientific evidence it improves health. Claims that wearing a bracelet boosts circulation, relieves pain, or increases energy are generally not supported by high-quality clinical research. It's not a medical treatment. A bracelet cannot treat chronic pain, arthritis, poor circulation, or other medical conditions. Results are subjective. Any perceived benefits may vary from person to person and can be influenced by expectations. So, should you buy the Mojoflow bracelet? Short answer: yes, if you like it as a piece of jewelry. If you enjoy the design, it may be worth buying as an accessory. But don't expect it to deliver the health benefits often promoted in its marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.